How to add points in Almosafer. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add points in Almosafer. So to add some points in Almosafer, all we need to do is open up our Almosafer right here. Once you open up our Almosafer right here, on the bottom right corner you will see profile right there. All we need to do is press on profile right there. After pressing on profile right here, you'll be looking at your profile, and here at your profile you will see my wallet. So here at your wallet, all you need to do is go down till you see add points to your wallet, and press on add points to your wallet right there. After pressing the add points into your wallet, now here you will see how to add points to your wallet. If you need help, you can just click on that. So select the amount you like to transfer, enter the select the Mokafa registered mobile number, and click proceed. You receive an OTP of your Mokafa mobile number. Enter the OTP and confirm. The Mokafa points will then be converted to Almosafer points and added to your wallet. Once the process is complete, the transaction cannot be reversed right there. And here, redeem your voucher code. If you have a voucher code right here, you can also redeem them to get yourself some points here at Almosafer. So there you go guys. Once you click on put in your voucher code and then click on submit, you will redeem the code or the points right there. And then there you go guys, that's how you do it. So yeah, there you go, and then click on add points right here, right there. After that, you will be done. So there, hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment below guys. I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on Guide Glimpse. And anyways guys, see you in the next one. Make sure to watch our other Almosafer account for more tips and tricks, and thank you guys.